In this video, we talk about Motorola Edge 50 Ultra versus Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with $800 and launched May 2024. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro launched on April 2024. The price is $550. The dimensions: Motorola Edge 50 Ultra height 6.34 inch, width 2.85 inch, thickness 8.6 mm. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro height 6.35 inch, width 2.85 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight of Motorola Edge 50 Ultra 197 gram. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro 186 gram. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with front glass, equal leather back and aluminium frame. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra front and back glass, wooden back and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM cards. Both mobile come with OLED display 1 billion color, and the screen size is same 6.7 inches. The resolution is same 1.5K and the preparedness is 446. The refresh rate of both mobile is 144 Hz, and the screen to body ratio the both mobile come with 92.4% and 1% screen to body ratio. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with dual glass Victor screen protection. Edge 50 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass screen protection. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with 2500 nits peak of brightness. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro 2000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with triple camera setup: 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, dual LED flash, HDR panorama, and it records 4K 30 fps video record. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with triple camera setup: 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel ultra wide, 13 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and LED flash, panorama, HDR, and it records 4K 30 fps video. The front selfie camera is 50 megapixel in both mobile. The platform: the both mobile come with octa-core Cortex X4 and Cortex A750. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with Cortex X4 3.0 GHz CPU. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro Cortex A750 2.63 GHz CPU. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of Motorola Edge 50 Ultra and 735. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro and Reno 720. The both mobile come with Android operating system. The memory: the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM. The internal storage of Motorola Edge 50 Ultra 512 GB and 1 TB of internal. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro 128 GB to 56 GB and 12 GB of internal storage. No SD card and no memory card. 40 GB. The battery backup: both mobile come with 4500 mAh battery and 125 watt fast wire charging and 50 watt wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G data support. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra scores 23 points and the Motorola Edge 50 Pro 20 points. Stop.